Mastering Possessive Determiners, the mine and yours of English grammar. Hello everyone and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to delve into an important part of English grammar, possessive determiners. These little words play a big role in making our speech and writing clear, concise, and grammatically correct. So, let's get started. Before we talk about using possessive determiners in context, let's first understand what they are. Possessive determiners, also known as possessive adjectives, are words that indicate ownership or possession. They are always followed by a noun and are used to modify that noun. The main possessive determiners in English are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Now, let's move on to see how these possessive determiners work in context. Imagine we are talking about a car. Now, whose car is it? Depending on the owner, we could say, my car is blue. If it's mine, your car is blue. If it's yours, his car is blue. If it belongs to a male person, her car is blue. If it belongs to a female person, its car is blue. If we're speaking about an animal or object, our car is blue. If it's ours, their car is blue. If it belongs to a group of people. See how the possession changes, but the structure of the sentence stays the same? One of the most common mistakes learners make is confusing possessive determiners with possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, are used to replace the noun, whereas possessive determiners always come before a noun. For example, we would say, my car is blue. But if we want to replace car with a pronoun, we would say, the blue one is mine. To really get the hang of possessive determiners, practice is key. Try writing sentences using each of the possessive determiners we've learned today. Speak them out loud, write them down, and get comfortable with how they're used in sentences. Remember, they always come before a noun. And that's it for today's video on possessive determiners. We hope this video has helped clarify when and how to use these essential parts of English grammar. Keep practicing and soon it will become second nature. Remember, grammar is the backbone of any language, and the more you understand it, the more fluent you'll become. Thanks for joining us today and happy language learning.